Mm. Vicky, shall we go to the wet market now?
Yeah.
Then let's go.
Go.
This is my bike. We'll take my bike. Let me take it. Come on, Vicky, let's hop on. Go. This is吴老师的歌，这个是吴老师。
咩又冇咯喎？
哦，賣完啦。
係，啲人賣晒啦。
哦，賣晒啦。
而家咯。
誒呢個唔係哦。誒一種好薄薄地嚟做嗰啲牛腩嗰啲啊，薄啲㗎，有冇啊？
一樣啊，啲人都賣晒啦。
哦，因為咁今日好生意咁好啊。哦。
好嘅見先。
誒咁牛扒咧，8蚊9啊。
啱過嚟。
係啊，啱啱9切咗啊。下次同你要牛腩早啲講嗬。
係，啲下次即係
我知
上水嘅。
Vicky 15一斤。
好嗎
？15一斤。
60。
啊？65啊？
唔係
65啊，真係抽。
謝謝。
Look at this one. I always buy. Should I buy this? Which one should we buy? Should I buy this for dinner tonight? The lady to get it for me. I'm so scared to get the. Are you sure it's safe? It's safe. Scary, man. 下面一点你买几条的，我很怕。啊，这个漂亮，然后小小根的，你拿给我，I'm so，真好怕那个。够了，抱一下。
多少钱姐？
够了
4块。
够了。够了，太多了。
哦，这2个颜色都好不错。
拿一个甜一点，一般甜的。好，什么意思？松一点。
吃起来就远一点。
远一点，漂亮哦，这条。
这条我们卖给我的，我会懂。
哦，这个没那么好。
9块5。
走。
这一点。小麦菜啊，哪个？
走。
那个好玩是吧？一起口味哦。
好吗？好吃了。
肉嫩嫩的，好不好吃啊？个人口味咯，是不是？
哦。这个也属于海，这个能不能放2天再来煮？我想不要过来买麻烦，跑过来。Lots and lots of fish, fresh fish from the market.
这里就20。
Now go this way, far better. Back home. Okay, Vicky, I'll just clean the garlic first, okay?
I will wash all the green onions.
Okay. Let's get this one. So, 1 clove of garlic.
Yeah. Today we're gonna make Scallion-Braised chicken.
Okay, yep.
By the way, Susan, it's okay if you buy too many scallions.
Yep.
Really,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter
Okay.
because we can make scallion oil.
Oh yeah, we can. We can do that. Yeah, like last time, right?
Yeah. Just
Don't need to
separate-
wait.
Just separate the oil and scallion after
Yeah.
frying.
Yeah, I like.
Yeah, and they can last quite a while.
Yeah, and it's really nice when you fry it. You can add it to any dishes,
Yeah.
like the pork that we made,
Yeah.
the pork steak.
Yeah.
Sorry, can I heat it or not? Can I smash it?
Yeah. Of course.
Yeah. This is too hard to remove the skin.
These are the ingredients for this dish. This is the chicken drumsticks.
Yeah.
And I just removed the bones from the chicken drumsticks and cut them. Later we need to cut them into pieces.
Okay. And I can take these bones to make soup.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. So leave it for me, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the other one is the spring onions.
Yep.
A bigger one and a small one.
Mhm.
And also we need to prepare some garlic.
Mhm.
Personally, because we all love the taste of garlic, so
Yeah.
I prepare some.
Mm.
But you can also, don't use it. It's okay because the main flavor is from spring onions.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah. After cutting, marinate the chicken with ginger slices,
Mhm.
a little bit salt,
Mhm.
black pepper,
Mhm.
and sprinkle some cornstarch.
Mhm.
Mix them well
Mhm.
and let it marinate for 30 minutes.
Mhm.
While waiting, you can prepare the ingredients and sauce.
Mhm.
Just now we already chopped the scallions and garlic into fines.
Mm.
So now we can make a sauce.
Okay.
Okay, just put it
Aside.
aside.
Mm.
Okay.
So oyster sauce.
Yeah. And some soy sauce.
Mhm.
A little bit dark soy sauce.
Yep.
A tablespoon of rice wine.
Yep. This is very special.
And scallion or garlic oil.
Yep, right here. Just the oil,
And you can also put the ingredients in.
the onions. We don't need to put that much onions, right?
And half a bowl of water.
Half a bowl of water. Let me get that. Bowl of water.
Yeah, thank you. Mix them together.
Mhm. Yep.
Leave it. Just wait for around 30 minutes.
Okay. And that's it, right?
The same as usual. If you're afraid of the oil splattering everywhere,
Mm.
you can turn off the heat, right?
Yeah.
And then put the chicken.
Mhm. See. Give me that. Don't leave the ginger. You want to use the longer chopstick?
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Because you said you don't like the splattering of the heat.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I'm also scared.
Yeah, don't know why.
I'm standing here far away. Do we need to get a plate?
I can count it.
Oh, yeah.
Count the lid.
Yeah, you can. So it's okay to cover it?
Actually,
With
I
it-
need to make the moisture evaporate.
Yeah.
So I better,
Yeah,
not
that's what
cover
I-
the lid.
I see. That's what I thought. So Vicky, we have to cook until the drumsticks are brownish.
Yes.
Mm.
Fry the chicken pieces until they are golden brown on
Okay.
both sides.
Mm-hmm.
The oil is splattering everywhere.
Really?
I'm so scared.
Well, I'm more scared. That's why I'm not good at cooking. looking sticky. Wow, there's a lot of oil in here in the pot. So this oil, excess oil, can we use it for cooking?
Sure thing.
Oh,
You want to pull some off?
yeah, I don't mind. I'll
Okay,
take
give me a
some.
bowl.
Okay, I'll get a bowl to them. It's very heavy. Oh, very strong hands there you got. Careful. I think that would do. Oh. You can use this one.
And now we can put the sauce in.
Mm-hmm. Now add the mixed sauce.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, more battery.
Now the quick
Mm.
and the simmer for 7 to 8 minutes.
Yeah.
Finally, add the scallion and the garlic.
This kind of garlic.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Mm.
And then cover. Let it braise for a little while.
Okay.